This one is an iPhone 16 Pro. It's 6.3 inches display. It was released 2024 September 20. Okay, this one is black color, full black. Okay. Yep. 6.3 inches display. Yeah, this looks different. And this is the accessories. They change the power adapter cable. It's not like previous rubber one. It's like nylon and other things, and SIM injection keys here, typical one, previous version, and some paperwork, and no sticker here. This year Apple didn't provide any sticker and other things. Yep, and it's done. And next things will come after finishing this one. Okay. And it is smooth. It's not feel like iPhone 14 or 15. Oh,